lifestyle moves us away from the artificial to natural principles. Our desire is for a special place to nestle that is comfortable yet functional and gives us time to relax. First up in our sanctuary color story, Fandango, a brushstroke contemporary overall, creates a zen-like feel in a soothing coloration, Celadon, and pairs nicely with the multicolored classic tweed, Dover. Tie-in Venue, a tonal chenille matte lisé with a subtle geometric effect for a more modern approach. And for a touch of fun, add boho, the Mongolian sheep faux fur, everyone's favorite. Showing the versatility of Bondi, here in the new color Mushroom, the perfect base for Abbott, a modern geometric with hand-drawn lines, enhanced with novelty boucle yarns for a simple yet intriguing look. For several correlate options, we have pulled in a tonal basket share scale pattern, Adisto, and two Vision performance fabrics, Arlo, a felted plain with a heathered effect. Or another great option, the Cozy Comrade, a novelty plain that uses a chenille boucle that we fondly call chiclet. Our second featured print this season is pattern Trellis, a modern cut geometric. Shown here in the mineral coloration, creates interest with its subtle patina finish. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, please visit our website at vision-fabrics.com and follow us on our Instagram at visionfabrics.